Now, the problem with clutter all throughout your desk, all throughout your day, cortisol spikes. It doesn't go this way. It spikes, stress spikes. It has been proven when they look at clutter, cortisol spikes. What happens when it spikes? Too much cortisol is produced. What happens at night? Insomnia, hypertension, long term. And you become overweight. Why? Because, what? It's true. Because do you know that stress leads to overweight? Because of your cortisol spiking and holding on to whatever fat you have because it needs to revive itself. Ladies, I'm not joking. You want to lose weight? Declutter. Why? When you declutter, a sense of peace enters your home, your cortisol level drops, and you